think shading is just making paper darker? Give me 2 minutes and Simba is about to prove you wrong. Good shading comes from building light layers, not pressing harder. Start with soft strokes to map the shadows. Now Simba may look a little awkward now, but that's part of the process. I'm adding shading around the eyes and under the head to create depth and make the sketch feel more three-dimensional. Notice how the pencil flows in the direction of the fur. Simple strokes can create great texture. Now we are increasing the contrast. This is where the drawing really comes to life. Darker shadows under the chin and around the ears help define the features and separate different areas. Look at the difference. The eyes stand out, and the fur has more texture, and Simba feels more alive. By layering, adding contrast, and staying patient, we have turned a flat sketch into a well-shaded Simba drawing. Which Disney character should I draw next? Let me know in the comments down below. And thank you for watching.